folks, welcome back to Simple Details. So we have a special project that we're getting ready to do, a very large project at that. Here we have a 2021 McLaren 765LT. As you see before you here, we have a whole lot of performance modifications that we're doing. Chris is going to come on in, kind of talk about the ins and outs and everything that we're getting ready to do. This is majority of it, but we do have some more in store. So if you want to see everything and the full entirety of what this is going to sound like, look like, you want to tune in and make sure you watch the entire video. Without any further ado, I want to go ahead, bring my technician in. Chris is going to speak to you about all the performance work that we're getting ready to do on this beauty.
Hey guys, I'm Chris, the technician here, and as Johan's mentioned, we have the 765LT that we're getting ready to do a bunch of performance modifications on here. They're kind of laid out in the general areas to the way it goes in the car. We have Rennaisance speed heat exchangers. This car from factory does have plastic intakes on the heat exchangers. This is also kind of a maintenance item as well. But on top of that, it does have more volume, so it's more efficient as far as thermal goes, right? We do have the Novitec lowering springs. These are not height adjustable, right? So as soon as they go on the car, that's the height it's gonna be. It's pretty static. We do have the CSF intercoolers, as I mentioned. These are also have bigger cores, so the efficiency for it should be a lot better. These cars are prone to having heat soak at a track or even down a drag strip. We have the BMC Air Filters. There's not much of an improvement on those, aside from the fact that you might get a little noise. And we have the M-Enginnering blowout valve spacers. So what this will do is, it's not really much of a performance gain, but it does give you that psh, psh noise that you like to hear from a turbo car. And then we come to the masterpiece that's back here. Shout out to the guys on Unobtainium over in Canada. We have this Inconel exhaust system, and we do have some Inconel exhaust tips going on in the car. But this setup here should pretty much put the car stage 2 ready, and we are going to be having the ECU sent out to M-Enginnering to get that tune uploaded in the car. We are expecting this car to have somewhere around 900 horsepower, all said and done and complete. And we also have some MV Forge wheels that are getting ready to go on the car as well, but we'll show you that a little later in the video. So let's go ahead and get started with the installation and stick around. All right guys, so let's give you a before audio clip of the exhaust on stock form.